can't tell it. We tried it, we tried it cutting with a knife, and it's just
Yes,
so
we tried
tough.
cutting this other big one with a knife, and it didn't work well. So he now has the clippers.
Are we ready?
Pruners, yes, cut.
Action.
There we go, because we're going to make kraut, so we want to get all of them that are of any size that we can use now. We'll leave some of them that aren't big enough. That might make slaw later.
There we go.
So he'll trim it back, and we'll be weighing these and giving you a report on the weight of the heads.
Here we go. Take a look here.
Yeah, that was not as big a head as the other one, and I might have let it go a day or two, but we're going to make the kraut. I need to get it now.
Isn't that beautiful?
Yep. Okay.
And where's the other one we cut? Right back there.
It's already, I brought it up here. Just didn't I?
There's one right there.
Where?
That one's cut right there, isn't it?
Where?
Right there, the next one from your left.
Yes. Yes, this is one we cut. It was bigger and definitely ready. I can see some signs of a little bit of cabbage moth worked a little on it, but I
upside down.
We're cutting a few more cabbage.
Yeah, here's one right there.
Got that one there. Like I said, not huge, but
try not to step on the tomatoes she's planted.
Yeah, I interplanted tomatoes because as the cabbage come out, the tomatoes are going on up.
Oh, come on. Not getting all of it. There, I got it.
Okay, lay it aside. Go ahead and do the next one. See the tomato in front of it where it's interplanted right there?
Here's new tomato.
Mm-hmm.
Off their bug.
Got to make all the use of the space we have. Now I can get back here and weed around these other tomatoes. Oh yeah.
Okay.
What you just...
Look it's beautiful. What, Susan?
It is beautiful, isn't it?
Isn't that beautiful? Okay.
Okay, thank you very
much.
much.
Cabbages.